Cape Breton Island is an island located off the northeastern coast of the Canadian province of Nova Scotia. The island is part of the Cape Breton Regional Municipality, and has a population of approximately 132,000 people. Cape Breton Island is known for its stunning natural beauty, including rugged coastline, rolling hills, and forests. It is also home to the famous Cabot Trail, a scenic highway that winds through the island's mountains and provides stunning views of the ocean. The island has a rich cultural heritage, influenced by the Mi'kmaq indigenous people, as well as Scottish, Irish, and French settlers who arrived in the 18th and 19th centuries. This has contributed to the island's unique blend of music, dance, and cuisine. Cape Breton Island is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, with activities such as hiking, golfing, fishing, and kayaking readily available. It also has a number of historic sites, museums, and galleries that showcase the island's history and culture. There are many beautiful places to visit on Cape Breton Island, but here are 10 of the top attractions. 1. Cabot Trail. The Cabot Trail is a 300-kilometer scenic drive that winds its way around the northern tip of Cape Breton Island. It offers stunning views of the ocean, mountains, and forests, making it a popular destination for hiking, cycling, and wildlife watching. Along the route, visitors will pass through charming fishing villages, visit historic sites, and have plenty of opportunities to stop and take in the scenery. 2. Cape Breton Highlands National Park. The Cape Breton Highlands National Park is a breathtaking national park that covers over 950 square kilometers of wilderness, including a significant portion of the Cabot Trail. The park features hiking trails, camping sites, and a wide range of wildlife, including moose, black bears, and a variety of bird species. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the ocean and surrounding landscapes from the park's many lookouts. 3. Fortress of Louisbourg National Historic Site. The Fortress of Louisbourg National Historic Site is a reconstructed 18th-century French fort that offers a glimpse into life in colonial times. Visitors can explore the fort's buildings, chat with costumed interpreters, and learn about the daily life of the fort's inhabitants. The site also features exhibits on the history of the region and its significance in the history of Canada. 4. Alexander Graham Bell National Historic Site. The Alexander Graham Bell National Historic Site is a museum dedicated to the life and work of Alexander Graham Bell, who spent many years on Cape Breton Island. The site features exhibits on Bell's inventions, including the telephone, and offers guided tours of his home and laboratory. Visitors can also enjoy stunning views of Baddeck Bay and the surrounding landscape. 5. Baddeck. Baddeck is a charming village on the shores of Bras d'Or Lake, known for its sailing and boating opportunities. Visitors can explore the village's many shops, galleries, and restaurants, or take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront. The village is also home to the Alexander Graham Bell National Historic Site. 6. Inverness Beach. Inverness Beach is a beautiful sandy beach that is popular with locals and visitors alike. The beach features clear blue waters, soft sand, and stunning views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, beachcombing, or simply taking in the natural beauty of the area. 7. Celtic Colours International Festival. The Celtic Colours International Festival is a music festival that celebrates the island's Scottish and Celtic heritage. The festival features concerts, workshops, and other events that showcase traditional music, dance, and storytelling. Visitors can also enjoy local food, craft markets, and other cultural activities. 8. Highland Village Museum. The Highland Village Museum is a living history museum that showcases the island's Scottish culture and heritage. Visitors can explore the museum's many buildings, including a black house, a church, and a schoolhouse, and learn about the daily life of the island's early Scottish settlers. The museum also features costumed interpreters, demonstrations, and workshops. 9. Glenora Distillery. The Glenora Distillery is a distillery that produces single malt whiskey using traditional Scottish methods. Visitors can take a guided tour of the distillery, sample some of the whiskey, and learn about the history of whiskey production on the island. The distillery also features a restaurant, a gift shop, and stunning views of the surrounding countryside. 10. St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay is a picturesque bay with fishing villages, hiking trails, and beautiful scenery. Visitors can explore the area's many hiking trails, visit local artisans and galleries, or take a scenic drive along the Cabot Trail. The bay is also home to the Gaelic College, a centre for the preservation and promotion of Gael. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.